Hey guys, what's up? It's Danny Boyle Barber. I want to give a big shout out to Level 3 for sending me the VIP package, which we're gonna open today. UPS kind of dropped it, but we still have it. Let's see what we got. The box looks crazy. All right, let's see what we have. Wow, I just opened this box and I could sense the smell pretty good. Pretty good smell. We got sanitizing wipes. We have black mask. Styling powder. One of my favorite products to use. We got the shaving gel. We have the aftershave cologne. We have the hairspray. We also have another little hand sanitizer. We have the spider wax, which is medium shine. We have the medium shine, the paste for texturizing, and we have the transparent formula with high shine. I have to say these two are my favorite. The forming cream, medium shine, and the spider wax, texturizing. These two are one of my favorite smell-wise. And let's see how the aftershave is. Wow, not bad. You could even use this as a cologne. See the shaving cream, shaving gel. Oh, I like this because it's not too sticky, so you could just rub it off. And most gels, shaving gels, will get sticky and it gets annoying. This one you can just rub it off and it's not sticky at all. Pretty good product. Once again, thank you Level 3 for sending me the VIP package, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be using some of these products for my upcoming videos so you guys can see the end result. Thank you.